Hello everybody, it's Corb from the Positive Holistic Vegans. Hope you're having a wonderful day like I am. Today on this journey, I'm going to show you how to grow your own sprouts. Sprouts are great because they're full of antioxidants, got a great bit of fiber in there, got your protein, and they're really filling as well. Sprouts are a great way to add things to your bootables, your salads, your smoothies. And they're actually, when you grow them yourself, they're very, very cheap. You may get them at other Whole Foods, farmers markets, or the Sprouts, and they come in a little bit of Tupperware, but they can be really expensive. So I'm going to show you how to grow your own. It only takes about 3 to 5 days. All you need is some sprouts, which you can get online, and a mason jar, which everybody has a lot of those, and then one of these mason jar toppers that I bought off of Amazon. So follow me along on this journey of how to grow your own sprouts. Okay everybody, so it's about nighttime, I'm about to go to bed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to let these sprouts soak. So we're gonna have to do that for about 4 to 8 hours is what they say to do. So what I have here today, I got a little bit of broccoli brassica blend over here. That has a little bit of blend of broccoli, radish, mustard, and arugula. And I also have over here, I have daikon radish. This is a really popular sprout brand that I've seen at farmers markets, and I bought them a few times, really good. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons, pour it right in our clean mason jar here. So that's done. And then what we have to do, we're gonna put on our mason jar lids, screw those on nice and tight. And then we're gonna come over to a sink and we're gonna fill it up with some cold water. So now that we have our seeds filled with water in the mason jar, what it says to do is to swirl them around. So I would do this over a sink, swirl them around to rinse them. Make a little whirlpool effect happen here. And then we're going to drain them. Alright, what I've done was I put my mason jars that have been drained and I'm placing them on top of these little stands here. And I put a little towel under just so any water that gets released through these lids, it just doesn't make a big mess. So we're just gonna let these sit for about 8 hours. So I'm about to go to sleep and we'll see what happens in the morning. Good morning everybody. So over here we're gonna check out our sprouting seeds. So we need to actually water these twice a day. So this is right in the morning. We're gonna fill the jars up, swishing it around, fill it up, and we're just gonna swish the jar around. I just realized something here. I'm over here wasting water down the sink. And what I could be doing, or what I am going to be doing, I'm gonna water our garden. Good evening everybody. It has been one whole day since I have put my sprouts in their mason jars. So this is going to be the nighttime. Day 2. It smells so good. Hello everybody. Corb. It's time to eat these delicious daikon radish and broccolini mix. I have a nice little Buddha bowl here. My first time making a Buddha bowl. This is a coconut bowl. Came from Vivo Life Protein. We have a link in the description if you want to do that. No affiliate code right now, not this time, but hopefully one day. We have this really good from fresh kale from the farmer's market. Got our broccolini mix that you just watch us grow from seeds, and this is the daikon radish. It smells nice and earthy and fresh, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give it a little bite. First, I'm gonna try just on its own the broccolini mix. So as you can see, it looks really good, nice and fresh. Has a nice crunch. A lot of water coming out from it. It's really fresh, full of great nutrients, antioxidants in there. It's really good. Broccoli mix, tasting a little bit of mintiness. This is, I'm gonna try to get the daikon radish over here. Daikon radish. This one looks like little cloves that you would, little 4-leaf clovers, but this is spicy. The daikon radish. Has a lot of spice to it, and that's with daikon radish sprouts that I bought from farmers markets before. That's exactly what they taste like. That's really good. Ooh, it is a little spicy. I guess that's the radish kicking in. Tastes just like radish, but they're just so small. Don't need much of those. Now I'm gonna take, I already know what this tastes like, but I'm gonna have a little bit, some kale in there, a little bit, just mix it up, and try it all together. Now this is a Buddha bowl right here. This is phenomenal. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. It's a beautiful day today. We just went out and did a lot of, I went in the woods back here, cleaned up a bunch of trash. We'll have a video of that, showing all that. That'll be a great video. But it's a beautiful day, it's lunchtime, I'm hungry. I'm about to try this out. Feel free to try out these sprouts. I'll have the link in the description below to where I bought the sprouts and where I bought those little lids and stuff from. If you want to try it out, it's real easy. Took about 6 days. So it says on there 2 to 5 days. We did 6 to get those rest of the seeds to sprout. But definitely try it yourself. Have a wonderful day like we're gonna have today. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when every time we post a new video, because we're posting 2 videos a week, so you don't want to miss out on those. Please give this video a thumbs up And if you have any questions about growing your own sprouts, or if you've done it before, what are your favorite ones to make? We have a whole bunch that we're gonna do, and we're gonna make different videos about that. But let us know. Please share this video to your friends and family. And like always, have a great rest of your day. Namaste.